You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name originally of a settlement in Britain and Scotland. It's famous for being featured a picturesque little village in Harry Potter. Hogsmeade. If you want to learn more Harry Potter names that are confusing and that many mispronounce, more pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. This one is easy. Hogsmeade. Hogsmeade. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.